Hello guys, good day. Actually, this is my very first time talking to you, and so please bear with my English accent. Actually, it's not that really good. And by the way, I'm using the DJI Mic Mini as my microphone. As you can see, cycling really is, you know, it's a bit windy. Not a bit, but really windy as you cross with the road. And I hope the sound is really crisp. And I'm using the camera Insta360 Go Ultra. So how are you guys? Sure, I'm doing fine, and I hope you too. In Japan right now it's winter and it's really cold, especially if you're from a tropical country, which is the Philippines. Yeah, it's not that easy to, balance life. It is because Philippines has only rain, while in here, well, there is rain, but there are four seasons, which is winter, autumn, spring, and summer. Whereas in the Philippines, you only have two seasons, which is the rainy and not the rainy. And I don't know what the second season in the Philippines is, but it's a tropical country. Sugoi. Take a look at the cars, guys. Japanese really are disciplined. They don't honk. Well, I guess it's because of their licensing here, driver's license, I guess. You cannot have a fixture in which the Philippines, in which some other countries have really got into that. Oh. So how are you guys? Please do comment down below of what will be my next video all about. But this channel is all about cycling, guys. So I will be giving ideas and life here in Japan. And rules. You must really follow rules here in Japan because it's really strict. You cannot just blame someone for your actions. So going to the camera for the first time is I don't know. just concerned about my accent. I'm concerned about the grammar, but who knows, this will be my first step to be fluent and to communicate with you guys all around the world. As you can see, English is the universal language. So I will fetch water in Kusuri. Kusuri here in Japan is what you call that one? Kusuri is medicine. So pharmacy, yeah, that's pharmacy. So if you find this channel so interesting, please do like and subscribe this video. And I will put the links of my gears in the description, guys, so you can buy and have me some 10% when you buy, right? That's an affiliate link. I'm so glad that Japan has free water, and not only in Kusuri but also some parts in, you know, like Max Value. Yeah, going strong. So in your first time here in Japan, you must be familiar with the cycling rules. As you can see, some of the cities don't really allow riding you at the pedestrian. So but here in my city, we are allowed, okay? So you must be familiar with that, especially in Tokyo, Osaka, big cities. So there are lines in which you are allowed to cycle, okay? So, see you in the next video.